I'm Clint Cooper. I'm the plant manager here at Lightle Sand in Hennessy, Oklahoma. We make concrete sand, masonry sand, and golf sand. Before we had the McLanahan InSpec program, we would have had to take a hand sample every 2 hours, which take about 30 minutes. It took like 5 or 6 people to constantly be on the FM. Now it just takes me on a machine, and I can constantly see it all day. And it's been a complete game changer. The McLanahan InSpec program basically gives us a live update constantly on what our FMs are, which is a huge thing when our customers want the best concrete sand that they can get. If we have any change in our pit or anything, we can adjust the FMs. That way we always have perfect concrete sand. The McLanahan InSpec machine makes running a sand plant 1,000% easier. It's extremely easy to use. The hardest part is knowing a sand plant. Once you know what FMs are and your grades, your 30s, your 50s, the McLanahan InSpec is about as easy as it can be. It's made my life so much easier.